Um, the class is everyday class is going so interesting and so simple.
Mhm.
And most important thing, you are directly focusing on our root, that is the brain thought process. The beginning of the class is just come from the thought process. So
Right.
that is means this will be a permanent impact on our communication skills. So this is very unique and very innovative, sir.
Thank
Thank you.
you. Thank you very much. Yes, if anybody wants to share the thought,
May I, sir?
yes, please.
Thanks for giving me this opportunity, sir. So we are working in our basic things, means we are covering the how to find out the verbs and all that things like active voice or passive voice. And today we will we covered modern verb. So how will we put this in our sentences? So this is the interesting things for me and all, I guess. So that's it, sir.
That's great. Very nice. Okay, any new learning from today's class? And do not forget that today we learned very important lesson, helping verbs.
Helping verb.
17 different types of sentences apart from tenses. Right?
Yes.
So I just want to ask you one question. How many helping verbs did you know from the 17? तुम्हाला किती हेल्पिंग वर्ब्स माहिती होते त्या 17 हेल्पिंग वर्ब्स मधून? Barely 4-5, right? Can, could,
Yeah.
should, may, late and latest, right? You have learned something new today.
Yeah.
17 helping verbs are very effective, very useful, and you will see that if you observe your thought process, half of your thought process is in just helping verbs. And most of you are not able to make the sentences using helping verbs. Okay? So this is a really important lesson you have learned. Do not forget that. And you have to learn 17 helping verbs. Okay? So that's a task for tomorrow and day after tomorrow.
सर ते त्याच्यामधला मायन्यूट जो हे आहे ना डिफरन्स ते पण माहिती नव्हतं की एक्झॅक्ट याला हे म्हणतात, कॅनला हे म्हणतात, फूडला हे म्हणतात. तर जे माहिती ते सुपरफिशियल इन्फॉर्मेशन होती.
येस. तर शिकवताना मी असा प्रयत्न केलेला आहे की खूप जास्त इन्फॉर्मेशन द्यायची नाहीये, टू द पॉइंट आपण शिकू डायरेक्ट. ठीक आहे, जेणेकरून जी नेमकी इन्फॉर्मेशन तुमच्यापर्यंत पोहोचली पाहिजे ना तीच आपण इन्फॉर्मेशन तुमच्यापर्यंत पोहोचवतो. सो देर विल नॉट बी एनी क्लटर. चलो, anyone wants to share anything from our today's class?
Sir, can I say?
Yes, Pratika, you can.
Just our third day of class, we have learned so many of new things, and that's why you can say we are in pipe.
Yeah, we all are in pipe. You can say that. A very nice use of this sentence. That's great. This is how you have to learn. You know, whatever sentence I'm teaching you, you have to use that quickly. It is said that if you want to remember any new thing, use that one thing for 5 times. So let's say if I've taught you the 5 sentences, use them fast. The more number of time you will make them use in your day-to-day life, you will remember it for the long time. Okay? That's how you can remember these words and sentences. Okay, anyone wants to share anything special?
Yes, sir. Can I?
Yes, please.
Today's session is very interesting. I learn I learn some new things regarding how to talk and what to ask. That's like what may come what may. I don't know about. I generally ask what do you do, what do you do, but now I will ask what are you up to, and also come what may I will speak English fluently.
That's great. Very nice. So this is how you should use. You see how you use the come what may. You have to make use of such kind of sentences. Then you will remember it for a long time. Okay. So one more thing, like in today's class, some of you could answer to the question, what did I learn today? Same task I'm giving you for the tomorrow. And tomorrow we are going to have a very special session. Tomorrow we are going to learn how to introduce yourself. Most of the students fail an interview that they do not understand how to introduce themselves. So on our tomorrow's session, we are going to conduct that how to introduce yourself effectively in front of people. It is going to be a very interesting session. I am going to teach you there how to ask questions on introduction. It will be a kind of interactive session. It will be a kind of interview session for all of you. So I want you all to be present there on a time so we can enjoy it. Because on tomorrow, we are not going to identify any sentence or anything. We will just revise 3 of the lessons that we have learned in the last full week. Okay? Because you will need more time for the helping verbs learning. And on Monday, we will solve all the helping verbs. Okay? So our tomorrow session will be a very interesting session. And it will be 2-hour session dedicated for this speaking. There we are going to learn introduction as well as how to ask questions on introduction. So must attend. Okay?
I am eagerly waiting for that
Yes.
session, sir.
Introduction is amazing session. So I hope that you attend it and you learn a lot of things. So like in afternoon, I will send you one form where there'll be a structure of how to deliver the introduction. Okay?
Yes, sir.
And you have to
Sure.
create that structure. And then you'll be ready in the evening for delivering.
Okay. Sure.
Is that fine?
Yeah, that's
Yes, sir.
And
Yes,
you'll
sir.
be even asked political questions. You can be asked any personal question or anything. So come up with the open-minded for tomorrow's session. You're going to enjoy that. And remember it for the long time. Okay?
Definitely.
Okay. So any question, anything you want to share? Nothing?
From my side.
So shall we call it a day now?
Yes,
Yeah,
sir. Sure.
Sure.
Chalo. Bye. Take care.
Yeah. Okay.
See you tomorrow with a lot of excitement.
Yes, sir.
Happy night.
Everyone,
Night.
good night.
Happy night.
Thanks, sir.
Welcome.